Hi, I am Paresh Paliwal along with my wife Kamakshi and my daughter Anvi. We visited the Europe trip I have booked this plan through Trip Osho company, and I thank the company for a wonderful trip. It was very amazing to be with this company, and literally it was wonderful to visit all the places. The hotels were very good, the food was served very nicely and it was tasty also. And the driving part, if I say, the name of the driver was Slavik, he was good, smooth driving, everything was wonderful. I do not have any complaint about anything. It was wonderful. We enjoyed every moment with this group, 15 days. The people around with me, around 40 people we were there, they all were also very nice, and it was a smooth plan. It was very wonderfully executed by the company, and I really wish that next time also I will go with this company. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.